The secret to weight loss: 10 healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. What if the secret to weight loss lies in the first meal of your day? Often overlooked or rushed through, breakfast holds immense power in setting the tone for your day, especially if you're on a weight loss journey. Forget about deprivation or skipping meals. What you need is a breakfast that fuels your body, kickstarts your metabolism, and keeps you full without overloading on calories. But here's the best part: these breakfasts aren't just healthy, they're delicious too. In this guide, we'll unveil 10 healthy breakfast ideas that are not only designed to help you shed unwanted pounds, but also keep you satisfied, energized, and ready to conquer the day. These aren't your typical breakfasts. There are secrets hidden in every bite and nutrient-rich ingredients, strategic combinations, and flavors that will surprise you in the best way possible. Ready to unlock the mystery of a powerful morning meal? Let's dive into these mouth-watering, weight-loss-friendly breakfasts. 1. Overnight oats with chia seeds. Overnight oats are not just a time saver. They're a nutritional powerhouse. Combining the slow-digesting fiber from oats with the omega-3s and protein found in chia seeds, this meal keeps you full for hours, preventing midday cravings. For an extra fat-burning boost, add some berries. Blueberries, in particular, are packed with antioxidants and have been linked to improved fat metabolism. How to make it: cup rolled oats. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Cup almond milk or any milk of your choice. Top with berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Why it works: this breakfast offers a slow, steady release of energy, controls blood sugar levels, and ensures you don't overeat during lunch. Plus, the fiber supports healthy digestion, another key factor in weight management. 2. Avocado toast with a twist. The humble avocado toast has become a trendy breakfast option, but for weight loss, let's add a twist. Instead of regular bread, try using whole grain or Ezekiel bread, which is packed with fiber and helps keep insulin levels in check. Pair that with a soft boiled egg, which provides satisfying protein and healthy fats. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain or sprouted bread, ripe avocado, mashed, 1 soft boiled egg, sprinkle of red pepper flakes, and a pinch of sea salt. Why it works: avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help burn fat, while the egg provides protein, keeping you full longer. This combination of healthy fats and protein stabilizes your blood sugar, meaning you'll avoid energy crashes later in the day. 3. Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and seeds. For a creamy, protein-packed breakfast that's easy to customize, try a Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which promote gut health, a crucial element of effective weight loss. Top it with flax seeds and almonds to add a healthy dose of omega-3s and fiber. How to make it: 1 cup plain, non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, a small handful of almonds or walnuts. Add sliced strawberries or a small handful of mixed berries. Why it works: Greek yogurt's high protein content helps control appetite, while the fiber from the flax seeds and nuts improves digestion and its bulk, keeping you feeling satisfied. 4. Egg white veggie scramble. Egg whites are a lean source of protein, while vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber without excess calories. A scramble loaded with colorful veggies like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers is a nutrient-packed breakfast that supports your metabolism. Recipe: 4 egg whites, 1 cup of spinach, tomato, diced, cup bell peppers, chopped, a pinch of black pepper and salt. Why it works: egg whites are incredibly low in calories but high in protein. Adding vegetables makes the meal nutrient-dense, filling, and naturally low in calories, perfect for shedding weight without losing muscle. 5. Smoothie bowl with a protein boost. Smoothie bowls are not only visually appealing, but also a creative way to sneak in essential nutrients. For weight loss, the key is to avoid sugar-loaded fruits and focus on low-sugar, fiber-rich fruits like berries, spinach, and protein-rich ingredients like Greek yogurt or plant-based protein powder. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, cup frozen berries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 handful spinach, banana, 1 scoop of protein powder. Toppings: chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, a few slices of kiwi, or a tablespoon of granola low sugar. Why it works: smoothie bowls allow you to pack a variety of superfoods into one meal. The protein keeps you full, while the fiber-rich toppings enhance digestion and curb your appetite. 6. Sweet potato and black bean breakfast burrito. If you're craving something savory and hearty, this breakfast burrito can be a game changer. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, which provide lasting energy, while black beans add plant-based protein to keep you satisfied. How to make it: cup roasted sweet potato cubes. Cup black beans canned, drained. 1 whole wheat tortilla. 1 scrambled egg or egg whites. A sprinkle of cheddar cheese optional. Salsa for flavor. Why it works: this breakfast is loaded with fiber and protein, ensuring you'll feel full without a blood sugar spike. The balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats will fuel your morning while keeping your calorie count in check.
7. Chia pudding with almonds and berries. Chia pudding is an ideal make-ahead breakfast that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. It's super easy to prepare the night before and provides a refreshing, nutrient-dense option in the morning. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, cup unsweetened almond milk, a handful of mixed berries, a few almonds or a sprinkle of slivered almonds for texture. Why it works: chia seeds are low-calorie but high in nutrients, particularly fiber and omega-3 south, both of which support healthy digestion and fat loss. The almonds add crunch and extra healthy fats to keep you satisfied longer. 8. Green detox smoothie. A green smoothie is perfect for those who want a light, quick breakfast packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This detoxifying smoothie includes spinach, cucumber, ginger, and lemon for a metabolism boost. Recipe: 1 cup spinach, cucumber, juice of half a lemon, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 green apple for sweetness, 1 cup of water. Why it works: green smoothies are low in calories, but rich in nutrients and fiber. The ginger and lemon aid digestion and rev up your metabolism, making this a cleansing, fat-burning option to start your day. 9. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that offers a unique alternative to traditional breakfast cereals. Pair it with fruits, nuts, or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a wholesome meal. Ingredients: cup cooked quinoa, 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts or almonds, apple, diced, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Why it works: quinoa is rich in fiber and protein, providing the energy and satiety you need while maintaining low-calorie intake. The walnuts and apples add a satisfying crunch and natural sweetness. 10. Protein pancakes. Craving pancakes? No problem. Protein pancakes are an excellent way to enjoy a classic breakfast favorite without the added sugar and carbs. Use protein powder and almond flour to keep them light yet filling. How to make it: 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon almond flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, almond milk to mix until batter consistency. Why it works: these pancakes are low in carbs but high in protein, making them a perfect choice for those who want to enjoy a comforting breakfast while still supporting their weight loss goals. Conclusion: there's no need to skip breakfast or settle for bland, unsatisfying meals on your weight loss journey. These 10 healthy breakfast ideas are specifically designed to nourish your body, boost metabolism, and keep you energized throughout the day, all while helping you shed those extra pounds. With these delicious and nutritious options, breakfast can become your secret weapon for a sustainable weight loss.